Adobe Photoshop is an industry-leading image editing software that has been at the forefront of digital graphics manipulation for decades. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools that cater to professionals in photography, graphic design, video editing, and web development, among other fields. Photoshop's feature set is robust and versatile, including advanced photo editing tools such as layering, masking, and retouching, which allow for intricate image manipulation. It supports a wide range of file formats, making it highly adaptable to various workflows. Additionally, its integration with Adobe Creative Cloud provides users with seamless updates and access to the latest features and improvements. While Photoshop offers unparalleled depth in functionality, its complexity can be daunting for beginners. The learning curve is steep, but numerous tutorials and resources are available online to help new users become proficient. For experienced users, Photoshop's interface and toolsets offer a powerful platform for creative freedom and professional-grade output. Known for its high performance, particularly in handling large files and complex editing tasks, Photoshop requires a capable hardware setup to perform optimally, which can be a barrier for some users. Performance can be significantly impacted by system specifications, particularly RAM and processor speed. Photoshop is available through Adobe's subscription model, which might not appeal to everyone. The monthly fee ensures access to the latest version without an upfront cost, but it can add up over time compared to a one-time purchase software. Adobe Photoshop remains the gold standard in photo editing software. It is equipped with powerful tools that cater to a wide range of professional needs. While it may be overkill for casual users, for professionals in the field of digital imaging, Photoshop offers unmatched capabilities and ongoing support through its integration with Adobe Creative Cloud. The main drawbacks are its steep learning curve and subscription-based pricing, but for those who need its extensive features, it is often considered well worth the investment.